Welcome back to our channel, where we prioritize your well-being and aim to make your life better. Today, we're diving into one of the most common and frustrating issues many of us face, insomnia. We'll explore the reasons behind it and share valuable tips to help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a better quality of sleep. So, let's begin our journey towards mastering sleep. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you stay updated with our content. Now, let's get started. Insomnia, the sleep disorder that plagues so many of us. But what is it exactly? Insomnia is characterized by difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, leading to inadequate rest. It can lead to a foggy mind, irritability, and a host of health issues. But fret not, as we're here to help. Insomnia can be triggered by various factors, such as stress, anxiety, or poor sleep habits. It can also be a result of medical conditions, or certain medications. But fear not, as we're about to share some tips that will help you overcome these challenges and sleep like a baby. Now, let's tackle the issue of falling asleep faster. It's all about creating a sleep-conducive environment and adopting some simple habits. Here are some effective tips to help you fall asleep faster. A bedtime routine is your secret weapon for a peaceful slumber. By consistently engaging in calming activities before bed, you signal to your body that it's time to sleep. This could include activities like dimming the lights, playing soothing music, or even reading a book. The key is consistency. Your body loves patterns, and a bedtime routine will help it wind down and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Your sleep environment plays a vital role in your ability to fall asleep quickly and sleep deeply. Ensure your bedroom is a cozy, tranquil haven. Invest in a comfortable mattress and soft pillows. Consider using blackout curtains to keep your room dark and quiet. Keep the room at a comfortable temperature, and eliminate any sources of noise. A comfortable sleep environment sets the stage for a night of quality rest. It's essential to be mindful of what you consume in the hours leading up to bedtime. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals as they can disrupt your sleep. Caffeine, found in coffee and many other beverages, is a stimulant that can keep you awake. Heavy meals close to bedtime can lead to discomfort and indigestion. Opt for herbal tea, or a light, healthy snack if needed. Your body will thank you with a peaceful night's sleep. Deep breathing is a powerful relaxation technique to calm your mind and body before sleep. Find a quiet, comfortable spot. Close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. Hold for 4. And exhale for a count of 4. This rhythmic breathing pattern eases stress and anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep. It's a simple yet effective way to prepare yourself for a restful night. Meditation is also another effective method to clear your mind and promote relaxation. If you want to learn and discover more about meditation, you may check out to my previous video by click on the link above or in the description below. In our digital age, many of us are glued to screens throughout the day. However, the blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. To fall asleep faster, it's crucial to limit screen time before bedtime. Aim to power down your devices at least an hour before sleep. This break from screens allows your brain to relax and encourages a smoother transition into a peaceful slumber. By following these detailed tips, you'll be well on your way to falling asleep faster, and it can significantly improve your sleep quality. Now that we've covered how to fall asleep faster, let's talk about how to improve and enhance the quality of your sleep. Regular physical activity is essential for a good night's sleep. It helps reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and deepens your sleep. However, avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime, as it can have the opposite effect. Aim to finish your workouts at least a few hours before sleep. Your body loves routines, including a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same times each day helps regulate your body's internal clock. This consistency can improve the quality of your sleep by ensuring you get the recommended 7 to 9 hours of rest. The quality of your mattress and pillows directly impacts your sleep quality. Invest in a mattress that provides adequate support and pillows that suit your sleeping position. A comfortable sleep surface can reduce discomfort, tossing, and turning, promoting a deeper, more restful sleep. Stress can be a significant barrier to quality sleep. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation, can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine to prepare your body for rest. While alcohol may initially make you drowsy, it can disrupt your sleep cycles, leading to poor sleep quality. Nicotine, a stimulant, can also interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Avoid both substances, especially in the evening hours, to ensure a more peaceful night's sleep. Implementing these strategies into your daily life can significantly enhance the quality of your sleep. Consistent exercise, a regular sleep schedule, comfortable bedding, stress management, and mindful choices regarding alcohol and nicotine intake are all steps towards waking up refreshed and revitalized each morning. There you have it. We've explored the world of insomnia, discovered tips to fall asleep faster, and learned how to improve sleep quality. It's time for you to implement these strategies and experience the benefits of a good night's sleep. Remember, it's crucial to understand the root causes and implement the right strategies to enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. Everyone's sleep journey is unique. It may take some time, but with patience and persistence, you can conquer insomnia and enjoy better sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our valuable content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to a night of restful, peaceful sleep. Sweet dreams.